I'm making poached chicken with Puy lentils. So I've actually got my chicken poaching away in some chicken stock here, and they're going to take around about 10 minutes. Now while that's happening, I'm going to make the base for the lentil dish. Straight in with some extra virgin olive oil, and then some shallots. Fry those shallots to start to soften them. And while they're cooking, I'm just going to take some rosemary and shred the leaves off the stalks and gather it up. And dishes like this are all about building layers of flavour from the base. But for the full list of ingredients, just click on the link. So in with the rosemary, and then garlic, just until everything starts to caramelise, and then straight in with the tender stem broccoli. I turn my chicken off now, and that can just sit there, finish off poaching really gently. And while that broccoli is cooking, I'm just going to take a couple of tomatoes, cut them up into chunks. I want quite big pieces of tomato because I want them to hold their shape as they cook. So the lovely thing about cooking like this is all of the flavours stay together in one pot. So I'm going to go in with some Puy lentils. Now these ones are already cooked, so you just need to warm them through and allow all of those flavours to mix together. So just spread them around the pan. And then, just to help bring everything together, I'll add a little bit of the poaching stock from the chicken. And that needs to cook away gently for about 10 minutes, just until that broccoli is nice and tender and all of those flavours have really started to mingle. Right, so my lentil dish is ready, chicken is poached, so I'm just going to carve this into nice thick slices, ready to serve on top of the lentils. Now, poaching is a really lovely way of cooking chicken, particularly chicken breast where there's not a lot of fat, because it keeps it really, really moist, stops it from drying out, and the texture is lovely as well. And as you're plating out, to make sure you get a nice mixture of your lentils, tomatoes and the broccoli. And just arrange that chicken over the top. And then finally, just top it off with some sliced chilies and it's ready to serve. Now for more delicious, simple recipes like this one, click on the subscribe button.